Hi, it's Lynette here and it's day number 5 of the Advent calendar. I love doing this kind of every day. I've never done it this way before, so I hope you're enjoying it, and it gives me a good reason to kind of get my face on and do my hair, although I didn't manage that in the first video. I will try. Some mornings there will be varying degrees of wet hair, can't promise. There'll be a full face of makeup either. So anyway, I'm going to crack on and get into the advent calendars and show you what we've got today. So day number 5 from the Boots number 7 beauty calendar. Day number 5. Day number 5. So it's a longish looking. Oh, it's a mascara. Oh wow, extreme length number 7 mascara. So what colour is that? Hypoallergenic. It's black, that's me on the top. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. Normally I wouldn't try a mascara unless it was waterproof mascara, but yeah, I'm running out of mascara, so I'm willing to give this a bash. And it says it's hypoallergenic, so hopefully it won't make my eyes run. So yeah, oh, I like a mascara. I'm pleased to get that. It's all been skincare so far. So yep, I'm pleased to see the mascara in there, and it's a really good mascara. I've not tried that one, but their mascaras are really good. So look fantastic. Whoa. Day number 5. Where are we? Number 5. Here we go. Box number 5. I love the tissue paper. I really do. Let's just open it up and show you here. Oh, it's a Mina 532 cream eyeshadow. Try that. I do like this brand. I've tried a few products. Oh wow, I actually thought it was quite subtle until I opened it. That's gorgeous. I'll have a wee play with that. What usually happens with cream eyeshadows is, I'm going to swatch this and I'll show you, is they usually kind of go on wet and they set really well, so this is kind of going to be gorgeous. This will be quite a nice one for Christmas Day. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the advent calendar and use the products at the end, the makeup products that come out, and create a look for Christmas Day. So yeah, day number 5. So yeah, mascara and an eyeshadow. Doing well. Thanks for watching guys, speak to you soon, bye.